In first question, we were asked to transmit a message containing our name and roll number using a UART communication protocol. Initially, we have selected the SMCOG for this transmission, which has a frequency of 1 MHz, but baud rate we require is only 1,15,200. So to adjust this frequency, we have divided by prescaler 8, which brings it close to 1,15,200. But still there will be some error. We remove it by modulation by writing this value into this register. We have selected P1.4 as a transmitter pin, and I have written this message we have to transmit into this variable ID, and using index as a pointer we are transmitting the message. First we will enter this for loop where we will write the value of index will be 0 and s will be transmitted. After that the value of index will continuously change until whole message is transmitted before quitting the for loop. Here we are giving some delay so that there will be some time before changing the value in a transmit buffer so that the value can be correctly transmitted. Now we will run and see whether message is transmitted. Now I am running the code. It will take some time to transmit the message. As we can see, the message is transmitted and we can see the message printed in terminal here. Thank you. In second question, we were asked to display the name and roll number whenever a push button is pressed. Here I am using push button at P2.3, so I declared bit 3 as button. After that I have resetted the UART register and selected the SM clock. I have adjusted the baud rate using prescaler equal to 8 and removed the excess error using a modulation. Here I have enabled the interrupt flag at P2.3. Whenever a push button is pressed, the control will come into this interrupt routine. After that, here initially the index is 0 and I will enable the transmitter interrupt and the transmitter interrupt flag. First initially for index equal to 0, I will manually transmit the first letter of the message. Whenever the first letter is transmitted, the transmitter interrupt flag will be set to 1 and an interrupt will be generated. After that it will enter this transmitter interrupt routine where it will increase the index by 1 each time and print the and transmit that letter, and whenever the next letter is transmitted again the interrupt will be generated and it will again come into this transmitter interrupt routine, and again it will increase the index by 1 and again it will continue the process until whole message is transmitted. When a whole message is transmitted, here index will be equal to size of the message, so I will disable the transmitter interrupt, then it will stop transmitting. Now we will see whether our code is working or not. First I am building the code. Now I am debugging it. Now I am pressing the push button at P2.3 and the message will be transmitted. Now I have pressed the push button. It will take a few seconds for the message to be transmitted. Here as we can see the message, my name and roll number is printed in the terminal. Thank you. In third question, we were asked to toggle the LED whenever letter E is pressed. For that, I have enabled the receiver interrupt using this command. Whenever we receive a letter, it will generate an interrupt and it will enter the interrupt service routine. In the interrupt service routine, we will check whether the value in received UAC or UCA0 RX buffer is E or not. That means we will check whether the received letter is E. If it is E, we will toggle the LED. Now let's check whether the code is working. Let's build the project. Now we will run the project and see whether our code is working properly. Now I am pressing letter E, the LED is switched on. Now again if I press LED is switched off. Again if I press it is switched on, it is switched off. When I am pressing other letters, the LED is not responding as you can see. Only when I press E, the LED will toggle. Thank you.